Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, everyone is at home? Yeah. Stay home and be safe. And follow the government instructions. Wash your hands at every half an hour and use sanitizers. Okay, children? Now, welcome here in your math session 4. In your previous classes, you have learned about the numbers 1 to 10. And after that, on Tuesday you had done some exercises also. So before starting some other exercises, we will do the revision of Tuesday work. Okay, what we had done on Tuesday, first we will revise that work. Okay, children? So open your books. Everyone, please open your books. So children, as you all know, this is your maths book, mathematics book B, and this all pages you have done. This all pages you have done, and we had done this exercise on Tuesday. How we had done? You have counted these pencils 1, 2, 3, 4, and you had written here 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lychees. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carrots. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 erasers. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lady fingers. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers. Then fill in the missing numbers 1 and 10. These two numbers have given here, and you have written what comes after 1? 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, 9 and 10. The next one is read the numbers and draw the same number of circles. Number 4 has written here and it has drawn the 4 circles. Now number 7, you have to draw the 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1 and 2. 2 has written here now, so you have drawn the 2 circles. Now 8. So we will draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now number 9 has written. So we will draw the 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now which number has written? 3. So we will draw the 3 circle. 1, 2, 3. Now 5 has written. We will draw the 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number has written? 1. We will draw 1 circle. Then number 10 has written here. So we will draw the 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 6 has written. We will draw the 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we have done this page. Now we will do this page. This also you have done in your previous class. How many butterflies are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it will be, and you will match it with number 5. And the spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E, 5. How many pomegranates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you will do? You will match it with the number 8. And the spelling of 8 is E-I-G-S-T, 8. Then how many cars are there? 2 cars. So what you will do? You will draw with the number 2. And the spelling of 2 is T-W-O, 2. Now how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers are here. So you will match it with the number 7. And the spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now how many pigeons? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pigeons are here. So you will match it with the number 4. And the spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R, 4. How many eggs are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So match it with the number 10. And the spelling of 10 is T-E-N, 10. Now how many tomatoes? 1 tomato. So you will match it with the number 1. And the spelling is O-N-E, one. Match it with the spelling of O-N-E, one. Now how many turnip are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3. 3 turnips are here. Match it with the number 3. And the spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now how many leaves are here? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 leaves are here. So you will match it with the number 9. And the spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E, 9. How many balls have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls have given. Match it with the number 6. And the spelling of 6 is S-I-X, 6. This also you have done on Tuesday. Now the another page. See, you have to count and write 1 to 10. Count and write 1 to 10. Count the dots and write the number in figure and words. See, 1 dot, number 1 has written and spelling O-N-E, 1. Now here 2 dots are given. So you will write 2 and the spelling is T-W-O, 2. Now 3 dots, you will write here 3 and the spelling is T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write here 4 and the spelling is F-O-U-R, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write here 5 and the spelling is F-I-V-E, 5. Now count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write here 6. The spelling is S-I-X, 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the spelling is S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the spelling is E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write here the spelling of 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write the spelling of 10 is T-E-N, 10. Now the next page, today we will do this page number 11, numbers forward and backward. You will write numbers forward and backward. Let's see, children, how we will do this. So children, see, numbers forward and backward. This is your forward numbers and this is your backward number. In forward number, you will read from the number 1 till 10, and in backward numbers you will read till number 10 till number 1. See, I have written on the blackboard. These are the forward numbers and these are the backward numbers. In forward number you will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But in your backward numbers you will start from the back. You will start your back counting. So what you will read? You will say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Understand everyone? Repeat it again. See, in your forward counting, you will read the numbers as it is. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But in your backward counting, you will read from the back, from the down. From the last number you will read. See, I have written here 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again we will repeat this backward counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again we will repeat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay children, this in your book it has written here. See, it has given here the practice writing. You all will do the practice of this writing. What you will write? First you will write here the number 10. See, number 10, now 9, now 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this, you will write your backward counting and complete this. Okay? Do the practice writing. Now, in your book, take out page number 12. Page number 12. And what is written here? See, what comes before? What is written? What has written here? What comes before? Means which number will come before? Before means पहले. कौन सा नंबर पहले आता है? Which number is coming before? Okay? Shall we start? See, in your book, look at the number line. Look at the number line. It is written like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this in your book it has written now. And we will take the numbers right to left. How we will count? Right to left. Suppose this is the middle number. So before 5, 4 will come. Before 4, 3 will come. Before 3, 2 will come. Before 2, 1 will come. This is your before number. Okay, children? Shall we do the exercise? See, in the first box, number 4 has written. And just look at the here. Look at these numbers. Which number is coming before the 4? Number 3. So what you will write here? You will write the number 3. Now number 8 has written. So look at these numbers. Which number is coming before 8? Number 8 is here and number 7 is coming before. So what you will write? You will write here the number 7. Then number 6. Number 6 is written here. And which number is coming before 6? Number 5. So you will write here number 5. Now, number 9 has written here. And which number is coming before 9? See, number 8. Write here 8. Now, before 7. Which number is coming before 7? Number 6. Number 1. Which number has written? Number 1. Which number is coming before 1? 0. Which number is coming? 0. And the last number, now 2 has written. Before 2, 1 is 5. Before 5, 4. Then 3. And before 3, 2. Okay, children? Understood? See, again I am repeating. Number in before, number is coming right to left. Which number is coming? How number is coming? Numbers right to left. Means you will read like this. 10, 7, 6. Means this is 5 is your middle number. Before 5, 4 is coming. Before 4, 3. Before 3, 2. Before 2, 1. And before 1, 0. Before 10, 9 will come. Before 9, 8 will come. Before 8, 7 will come. Before 7, 6 will come. And before 6, 5 will come. Okay, children? Got it? Now, see the next page. Page number 13. We will do what comes after. After means? What comes after? After means बाद में. Means जो नंबर लिखा है उसके बाद क्या कौन सा नंबर आएगा? What numbers will come after? Okay, we will follow the same, but here numbers will go left to right. In before, numbers are coming right to left, but in after, numbers will go left to right. Just see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is your middle number 5. What will come after 5? 6. What will come after 6? 7. What will come after 7? 8. What will come after 8? 9. Understood? Now we will do the exercise. So, here it has written number 1. And which number will come after 1? Number 2. Now, number 2 is written. Number 2, which number will come? 3 will come. 7. So, which number will come? 8. Now, 5. Which number will come? 6. 0. Which number will come? 1. 4. Which number will come? 5. 3. What will come after 3? 4. 8. Which number will come after 8? 9. 6. Which number will come after 6? 7. Done all of you? Okay, just see. One more time you will see. In what comes after, number will come right to left. So we have done this page. Page number 12 and page number 13 we had done. Now take out page number 14. What comes between? What comes between? The middle number is the between number. Whatever number is coming in middle, that is the between number. Okay? Suppose, see here. See, 1 to 10 is written now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children? So, 2, 3, 2, 1. And if I will ask to you that which number will come between 1 and 3, then you will say number 2. Which number is coming between number 6 and 8? So in between of 6 and 8, number 7 is coming. Which number will come between 8 and 10? Number 9 will come. Okay, children? Shall we do the exercise? See, 4 and 6. So here in the between, which number will come? Number 5 will come. Now number 8 and 10. So between 8 and 10, which number will come? Number 9 will come. Now number 3 and 5. Number 3 and 5, which number will come? Number 4 will come. Number 2 and 4. 2 and 4, which number will come? Number 3 will come. Now number 7 and 9. Which number will come? Number 8 will come. 6 and 8. Which number will come? Number 7 will come. Number 1 and 3. Which number will come? Number 2 will come. 5 and 7. Which number will come? Number 6 will come. Clear to all? And this you will write the number which is coming in between, जो बीच में आएगा. Children, this is your next exercise, more and less. See what I have drawn on the blackboard. More and less. How we will learn about this? See, I have drawn some circles, some triangles, and some rectangles. Tell me, how many circles are here? 3. And how many circles are here? 2. Then which number is bigger? Where are the more circles? These 3 circles are the more circles. And the same 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 triangles. Which one is more? This one is more. 5 triangles are the more. Now here how many rectangles we have? 1, 2. 2 rectangles. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangles. So which one is more? This one is more. And these are the less. Clear to all? Where we have the more objects, they are more. And where we have the less objects, that they have less. Okay? Now we will do the book exercise. Okay children? Take out the book. एक काम करो, गेट के बाहर जाके बैठो, ठीक है? हम वहीं से बुलाएंगे तुमको ज़्यादा. I told you about more and less. So now we will do the book exercise. Count the erasers. Take the set that has less. You have to take the box which has the less erasers. So just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which box is having less eraser? This box. So we will take it here. Now see. Take the set that has more. Count children which has the more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So which is having more? This. Take it here. Now take the set that has less. Which box is having less balloons? Just count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So count it here. Now take the set that has more. Which set is having more rabbits? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this set is having more rabbits. Take here. Now turn the page and take out the next page. More, less and the same. Draw pictures to make the sets with more, less and the same. The first one is done for you. See, here 2 circles have given, number 2 has written. Here you have to draw more. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is more, less, only 1, and the same. Here 2 circles have given. Now here 4 squares are here. And for more, making more squares, you will make the 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less, you will make 3. And in more, you can make 6 also, 7 also, whatever you want. But it should be more. Here in the less also, you can make 2 also, 3 also, 1 also, but we are making 3. And for the same, you will draw the same numbers. Means you will draw 4 squares. Same here. See how many rectangles have given? 5 rectangles. And for more, you can draw 6 rectangles, 7 rectangles, 8 rectangles. But here I will draw only 6. How many rectangles I will draw? 6 rectangles. That is more than 5. Here we have to draw less. How many rectangles I will draw? I will draw 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is less than 5. And here we have to draw the same. So what you will do? You will draw the same 5 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it is 5. Okay. Now here 3 triangles have given. For more, we will draw 4 triangles. How many triangles we will draw? 4 triangles. And for less, we will draw 2 triangles. How many? 2 triangles. And for the same, we will draw the 3 triangles. Okay children? See, I have drawn the 3 triangles. See again, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is more than 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 is less than 4. Same. Here are 5 rectangles. So we have drawn 6 rectangles for more and 4 rectangle for less and 5 rectangle for the same. Then 3 triangle, we have drawn 4 triangle for the more, 2 triangle for the less and 3 triangle for the same. Okay children? Done this exercise. We had finished our number 1 to 10. We have completed our number 1 to 10. Once we will revise it. Okay children? Once we will revise it. Say, repeat after me. Number. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And the spellings are O-N-E, O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-V-E-5, S-I-X-6, S-E-V-E-N-7, E-I-G-S-T-8, N-I-N-E-9, T-E-N-10. Sorry, I will write 10 here. T-E-N-10. Repeat again. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-V-E-5, S-I-X-6, S-E-V-E-N-7, E-I-G-S-T-8, N-I-N-E-9, T-E-N-10. Once again, O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-V-E-5, S-I-X-6, S-E-V-E-N-7, E-I-G-S-T-8, N-I-N-E-9 and T-E-N-10. So, till number 1 to 10 we had finished today. Now numbers 11 to 15. This we will start in our next turn. Till then, bye children. Take care.